Hey everyone, welcome to this video. And in this video, we will see how we can add environment variables in our NextJS MySQL CRUD application. So here you can see I have opened the project directory in VS Code and I have uh, started the server. So here you can see this is our application. And now in the VS Code, open the project directory. As you can see, this is my project directory. And in the root of our project directory, we will make a file called .env.local, and in this file we will make a public environment variable of Next.js. So here we will write next public host is equal to, and here we will write our host name. So I will write http localhost 3000, and now that's it. Now we have added an environment variable in our Next.js MySQL CRUD application called next public host, and this environment variable can be accessed uh, with the front-end components. So here in the component folder, open alert.js file, and here there are no calls made to the API. So we will close this file. Now open layout.js file, and in this file, here you can see this is our host name. So we will replace this host name with the environment variable we have just made. So here, first of all, we will remove this double quote and we will replace this double quote with backticks, and in place of http localhost 3000 we will write process dot environment dot next public host, like so. So now this environment variable will replace with the http localhost 3000. Now we will copy this from here and we will replace all the host name with the environment variable, and we will replace the double quote with backticks, like so. Here also, and now as you can see we have replaced all the API calls host name in the layout.js file. Now open navbar.js file and here replace this host name with the variable, and now open pagination.js file, and there are no calls made to the API endpoint in this pagination.js file, so we will close this file. Now open user.js file, and here we will replace this host name with the environment variable, like so. And now we will close this file, and now we will open users table.js file, and here also no calls are made to the API endpoint, so we will close this file. And now we will open index.js file from pages folder, and here we will replace this host name with the variable, and we will replace double quotes with backticks, like so. And now let's refresh our page. Here it is giving me an error, so let's check what's the error. Back in VS Code, it is giving me the error in index.js file in get server side props function. Let's check in environment local file, and everything is okay here. Okay, now let's refresh the page. Okay, so I think we need to restart the server. So we will stop the server, and now we will restart the server again. So I will run command npm run dev, and this will bring my server up. And now let's refresh the page. It is again giving me the same error. What's the issue? Okay, so here actually we need to write users instead of user. Now let's refresh the page, and here you can see the error has gone and our application is working fine. Now let's try to add a user. So here I will write new user at gmail.com, and I will click on add, and here you can see the user is added successfully. Here you can see the user is listed here. So this is all for this video, guys. In the next video we will see how we can deploy this application on vercel. So meet you in the next video. Thank you very much.